So, what do you think about this cat?
Well, I am freaking out that it's lost.
Oh wait, the volume isn't on.
It doesn't have.
Anyways, back to me. I look good, don't I look good? Here's my best friend who owns this camera. Wait, there's no stinking sound! Whenever you're ready.
I have to get it. No, I didn't do it yet. Get back in position. Get back in position. Get back in position. Ah! Okay, ready? Let's go.
I'm back on my knees, and I'm not. Top first. I'm better. I'm too invincible and you guys can never beat me. Don't spit, don't spit. Bring it on, you guys. You guys got nothing. I don't know. I don't know how that works.
If you're gonna buy school lunch,
I'll bring my iced coffee.
No, I can actually pay for you. I have an extra lunch ticket from last week.
Well, guess what? She doesn't care.
I'm gonna let go in because I'm cold.
Oh. Simon! I want to get Simon.
Simon!
Over there, under the truck.
Hey, Steven. Steven, is it okay if I tape it? Come here, because I remember. No.
When you tape it. Wait, let me get a better view. There's no sound, but.
Okay. Take me out, son. No! No!
Close up picture.
Oh, my face! My face!
Jack, I need gloves! I need gloves. Jack, I really need gloves.
This is Sam talking to her boyfriend.
Loser!
Could you not zoom into my eye?
George.
Hi, proactive.
I'm not joking now.
My knee really.
Bye, Nick. What's up, my home, bro? I wish I could meet you at All Night Skate, but I can't go.
Bye.
Okay,
Oh my god, stop freaking me out. Dead person. He's like, guy, you know.
that was
Hung up.
See, that was super funny when you were like this. You're like, ready? What? Best friend, Kayla.
Wait, do that again.
He just punched Nick 3 times and got bloody noses. First time I was in there. Second
Do that
time
again.
I was at his house. He punched it through a pillow. He got a bloody nose. Squirted everywhere. It was disgusting. Next time he told me,
It's a big walrus. How you doing?
and it's like an overturn. I had to get a bowl.
Ready?
Oh, really? Oh.
They are going to warn them today.
No.
Meanwhile,
Saturday is on skate. No sleep all Saturday. Like,
here's
all
a
day
loser,
long. I'm
her,
going skating with Nick.
and here's the wannabe.
Oh! Thanks, Lowe's. Where am I wanting?
Now, this is another episode of Where's Simon?
What do I want to be?
What does she want to be?
I'm a wannabe. What do I want to be?
Retard.
Show my home, bro.
Hey, I can make a movie out of this. I can just...
I think he's lost.
I
think he's lost.
Hey, Steven. You know I can make a movie out of this? I can actually make a movie. Because I have this thing on my computer that makes movies.
Oh my god, guess what happened to me the other day?
Now, here comes the rightful owner, Cara Smith.
Be quiet.
She's mean.
What is your problem?
Now let's go back to find out where Simon is today. Smith, may I have him? So what do you think Simon is? Where do you think Simon is? Hello?
In the bush.
Which bush? Follow Smith. We're gonna have trouble. There's a cat fighting with Simon. Here's now. Let's interview some citizens around here. This girl's name's in House Spy.
It has no sound.
Okay, let's go over to Sam. Wannabe Patterson.
Oh my god, it was so flippin' scary. The cats were like clawing each other. It was really freakish.